I just received this beautiful package from, what are they called again? Is it Robert Dyas? Yeah, and I'm so excited. I just got my very first ever purchase of cast iron pots, and I can't wait. Okay, right, let's just have a look. Well, I just destroyed the box. Not very good unpacking, am I? Yeah. Let's see what we have here. Then the other way around. Look at that. OMG. The color.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm loving it already.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this and this one. Look at this beautiful dish. Oh, thank you, Robert Dyas. This one. Let's see. Beautiful. You ready? My goodness, that's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh. And these were on sale, guys. I saw it and I thought five-piece sets. They were for 78. I'll link it. I'll link it so you see the price and everything. It was at a very, very good price. If you cook and all that, you know cast iron pots are quite expensive. Yeah, so my very first purchase, and I'm happy with them. Thank you very much, Robert Dyas. Okay.